Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. In this video, we'll look at a practical way to edit an Excel workbook using Microsoft Copilot Chat. The goal is to show the process and capabilities step by step so you can decide how it might fit into your workflow. Microsoft Copilot Chat is available in Microsoft 365 and on the web, inside Teams, and within Excel Online. It allows you to bring a document, such as an Excel file, directly into a chat window and then describe changes in natural language. Copilot interprets those instructions, edits a working copy of the file, and provides the result for you to review. Here's a straightforward sequence you can follow. First, open Copilot Chat, go to Microsoft365.com or open the Copilot panel in Teams and start a new chat. Second, upload the Excel workbook by dragging and dropping the file or attaching it with the paperclip icon. Copilot quickly indexes the sheets and confirms it is ready for analysis. Third, give precise instructions. Type the edits you want in plain language, such as increase all sales values in the order sheet by 7%. After you send the instruction, Copilot applies the changes to a working version of the spreadsheet and shows a preview or a downloadable file. So let's click this link and open the duplicate file Copilot has created with what we asked for. As you can see here, when we open this file, the sales column value has been increased by 7% without the need of a new column or sheet. For validation purposes, I'll open my original file so we can validate our new data side by side. On the left, we have our original data, and on the right is our new file Copilot created. As prompted, the new file on the right displays the sales 7% higher without the need of me having to go into the file and edit anything, which is a unique feature. Additionally, the system can carry out more complex edits as well. It can write and insert formulas such as VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, merge several sheets into a single pivot table, reformat large dashboards by adjusting colors and number formats, and highlight duplicates or missing values. Each of these changes is recorded on the working copy until you choose to accept or reject them. For transparency, you can request a summary of modifications by typing Show Changes. Copilot lists every action, columns added, formulas used, rows removed, so you can audit the process. If needed, you can undo a step or adjust a parameter as well. Clarity instruction is important. Rather than a broad request like fix the numbers, it helps to specify something like round all unit costs to 2 decimal places and highlight any value over $50. Multiple instructions can be combined in a single message, and Copilot will carry them out in order. This approach does not replace Excel's interface, it complements it. You can still open the file in Excel at any time to view or adjust the results manually. Copilot simply provides an alternative method when natural language commands are faster than point and click editing. That's the complete process for editing an Excel workbook in Copilot Chat. By attaching a file, describing the edits, reviewing Copilot's proposed changes, and downloading the final version, you can handle anything from simple formatting to complex data transformations with a conversational workflow. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.